Hey guys, my name is Sonam Prajapati and you are watching my channel Teach Tutorial Now. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to change Facebook password. So now let's start the video. So friends, first of all you have to click here, and after this friends you have to click on the setting, and after this guys you can see the option security and login. You have to click on this options, and here you can see the option change password. Just click on this options and you can see the option for changing password. So the first one is you have to insert your current password. After this you have to insert new password and you have to retype your new password. After this friends, we will click on the save changes and your new password would be saved of your Facebook. Thank you so much for watching this video friends. If you have any questions, comment below, like this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you soon guys with a new video. Bye.